What's up, everyone? HOBBYBOX here, doing our first $10 mixer of the night. Group break number 947. No trades was reported. Anaheim Ducks, J Stubbs, Arizona Slayer 3376 goes all the way down to Winnipeg and Dane Ordway. So we start with our tin, Series 2 tin. Number is 398. It's been a while we haven't hit ICO in our tins. So is this time? Let's see. So we usually give the top box toppers away to the kids at the shop. It is a JVR for the Stinky Leafs. Cheese Dog, I'm sure you're okay with giving it away. Please let me know. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Trade time is over, but if you guys are still okay with the trade. Thanks, Cheese Dog. Grizzla and Larry. Time is up, but it's between you two. If you want to do it, just let me know if you did it or not. Derek Forbort for the LA Kings portraits. So Larry and Grizzla, just at the end, let me know if you guys did it or not. For the Stinky Leaves, portraits rookies, Antoine Bibeau. Scratchman, we're doing a third one, so there'll be spots available for number 3. We'll post it as soon as we choose the boxes as soon as we finish this break. Radek Faksa, Young Guns for the Dallas Stars. What's up, buddy? We haven't seen you in a while. Brian Elliott, Canvas for the Blues. You got to send me pictures of that boat, man. My buddy is, like, killing me. Mike Condon, OPG rookie for the Habs. Rainbow Detroit, Mike Green. It's between you two now. Larry and Grizzla, it's between you two. San Jose Sharks, Jonas Donskoy portrait. Just all I need you to do is tell me at the end if you guys did it or not. For the Dallas Stars, Matthias Janmark, OPG rookie. For the Washington Capitals, UD Canvas, Andrei Burakovsky. Obviously, you can't do it at the end of the break. You guys are going to tell me now. Ooh, this could be ICO, guys. Ramin Herbanka. Young Guns for the New Jersey Devils. Let's see how many Young Guns we got in here. 2 or 3? We got 2. That could be ICO in the last 2 packs. Could be ICO. UD Jersey for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Chris Letang. That is actually Group B, I think. Group B or C. Last pack, Mojo. Jack, are you here? He's not. Whoa, weird. Milan Lucic, LA Kings. Milan instead of Jack? Come on. Did we only get 2 Young Guns in this? Herbanka. Radek. Okay, we got to look through the... Obviously, the wrappers are here. Let's go through the base. I don't think I would miss a Young Gun, would I, guys? I've never done that before, so especially a Young Gun like Jack Eichel. We got screwed by Upper Deck, I think. I've seen this before. We opened 1 tin before with no Young Guns. Boo. No, come on. Really? They ripped us off. That was a Jack Eichel tin. Boo. Okay, well, I opened a couple of packs earlier. Tyler Lear, Young Guns for the Flyers. I'll throw that in. for the Flyers. Who is Flyers? Sandbagger. There you go. Okay, SBA box number 270. Lucic instead of Eichel, that was it. Yes. As I said, I've seen tins before with no Young Guns, and I called Upper Deck, and they did not do anything. No, I can't do that. Nice try, though, Lemko. Nice try. We start with a Future Watch non-autograph, number 664 of 999 for the Anaheim Ducks, Shea Theodore. For the Detroit Red Wings, all-time moments, Yzerman, Lidstrom, and Chelios. Jeff Skinner for the Hurricanes. Bob Bourne for the Islanders. For the Colorado Avalanche, Premier Prospects of Mikko Rantanen. Ver 80 on the board. Zach Cassian update. Let's hit a booklet. I have not pulled the booklet yet. Curtis Joseph Legends for the Red Wings. All these SBA cases we've done, we have not pulled the booklet yet. In the breaks. Lee pulled a booklet. All-time moments, Bruins. Lee pulled the booklet and Slick pulled the booklet, but we haven't pulled any in the breaks. Dion Phaneuf update. All-time moment for the Dallas Stars, Jason Spezza. Premier Prospects for the Calgary Flames, Emile Poirier. Hey, Betsy, there goes one of our guys. We need McCann and Stevenson. Bobby Orr Legends for the Bruins. Nope, no hits yet. First one is for the Ottawa Senators, Sign of the Times, Matt Hoffman. E-King 424. For the Stinky Leaves, 95-96 Retro, JVR. Yeah, we need those guys. Oh, I thought it was Matt Murray. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, Young Guns of Jonas Korpisalo. Future Watch is for the Montreal Canadiens, number 245 of 999, Jacob Delarose. E-King 424 with both autos right now. I think so. Authentic Moments, Jamie Benn for the Stars. Legends, Marty Brodeur for the New Jersey Devils. One more hit, and it's a patch. We'll leave it there. Update, Mike Richards. When was Mike Richards traded to Washington? Huh, I don't remember that. Okay, let's see our patch. It is, ugly one color patch, number 1 of 100 for the LA Kings, Jordan Wheel. Jacob Delarose Feature Watch Auto and the patch. One color patch of Jordan Wheel for the LA Kings. Wow. Wish it was a better patch at least. Local guy though, North Vancouver kid, Jordan Wheel. You're welcome, buddy. Ver80 is on the board on that. Okay, our last box is the new Genesis. Betsy, you ready to help me out with the draftees? Dallas actually had quite a few, nothing crazy, but quite a few cards. Betsy, or whoever has the NHL.com or HockeyDB open, can help me out with the draftees. That would be great. No one? Okay. Dark Master Darius will help me. Thanks, guys. If Detroit Don was here, he knew everything, so it would have been a big help. Okay, our first one is Antoine Morand, number 25 of 50. Antoine Morand. Not drafted. Okay, if it's not drafted, it will be randomized between all the spots. Next up is Michael McLeod, number 6 of 25, Jumbo Relic. Michael McLeod. Let's see what year he is born. Oh, it doesn't have stats on the back, so. Thanks, Betsy. Michael McLeod. New Jersey Devils. And that is John Lee. New Jersey gets the first one. Next one is Dmitry Zhukanov. Oh my God. Oh my God. The next card is a beauty. Beauty card coming up. 3-color, 10 of 10, Dmitry Zhukanov. I doubt he was drafted. Nada. Okay, Zhukanov is randomized too. Next card is Vintage. 8 of 8 for the Montreal Canadiens. Maurice Richard, Jean Beliveau, Aurel Juliet, Patrick Roy, Doug Harvey, Bernie Geoffrion, Steve Shutt, and Larry Robinson. Wow. Look at some of these pieces, guys. Look at that. Richard, Beliveau, Oliet, Roy, Stick Robinson, Steve Shutt, Bernie Geoffrion, Doug Harvey, 8 of 8. What a beautiful card. E-King 424. Congrats, buddy. Man, this I like so far from all the cards we opened, this is my favorite. That's gonna get some big penny. E-King, you were missing the most important part of the break. How can you not see this? Wow. We gotta put that there. That's a beauty. So this one was drafted by the Canucks. Dmitry Zhukanov goes to Julie. Zhukanov is Vancouver, so I don't even need to write it. Goes to Julie. Okay, 8 of 8. Next up is 13 of 20. Jake Lischenshin. 13 of 20 jersey and autograph. This guy not drafted yet, Regina Pats. Not drafted. Okay, another all random. What'd you miss? You missed the best card we hit so far. Look at all these vintage guys. Legends, Hall of Famers, vintage pieces, I mean. Look at all these vintage pieces with the Hall of Famers. Next up is our first autograph, and that is Vitaly Abramov. That's a very familiar name. New Dawn autograph, Vitaly Abramov. Big card, E-King. Big card. 8 of 8 your card is. This is going to be our big pull. Yes, sir. Very serious. CBJ, Vitaly Abramov. What round was he? Thanks, Betsy. Thanks, J Stubbs. That just showed it there, buddy. That's just showed it. So Columbus has a hit. Lemko getting another hit. Next up is Christian Afanasiev. 9 of 15. Ooh, jersey number. 9 of 15. Jersey number. eBay 1 of 1. Christian Afanasiev. Yeah, I know. Can't even pronounce them. Christian Afanasiev. Let me know, please. And we have another big hit for the Montreal Canadiens. Sign of nobility, 1 of 1. Dickie Moore. Dickie Moore, cyan plate, 1 of 1 for the Montreal Canadiens. Montreal just crushed it. Well done, E-King. Well done, my friend. I'm going to write that on it because Julie might not know. MTL. Wow. Yep. You should be. And that's it, guys. That was the break. Afanasiev, undrafted. Okay, so we have 3 undrafted players, guys. Which will be randomized between everyone. Afanasiev, Morand, and Leseshin. So we're going to put it as 1, 2, and 3. Actually, we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. So spot number 1 after the randomizer will get the Afanasiev. Spot number 2 will get the Leseshin. And spot number 3 will get the Morand after 10 times randomizing. Let me get the list. So there it is, guys. This is the randomizer for the 3 cards. Spot number 1, 2, and 3 will get those cards on the screen. Good luck. Here we go. 1. Dice set 10 times, so we're doing 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and final. Top 3 are Larry C, Slayer 3376, and Gord R. Larry C, you get the Afanasiev 9 of 15. Slayer 3376, you get the Lishishin. And Moran goes to Gord R. There it is, guys. Thank you very much. And we'll be back with more breaks shortly.